Hey guys, we are gonna do Neville's last part of his story, The Ghost Train.
I've already finished the story. This is the thing where you're dead, guy. Hey, Thomas is dead. How did he get there? It must have been his ghost.
No,
That
was not his ghost.
Thomas is dead. I've seen it in the last part.
Well, he's not dead for long. He's not dead for long.
How do you know? We've not done the whole thing.
Because Dude, we're the one that done the goddamn script for this episode.
You didn't.
You know what to do, man.
Then why are you telling them what happens? And how did Harvey... Oh, the ghost train was Harvey.
Hello there. Thomas isn't really dead. It's a cardboard box, you dumbass.
And the real Thomas is actually coming down here.
The shooters for the... we're gonna crash.
Now the real Thomas is dead. Nah, that was just another cardboard box.
I'll just get...
Merry
Hey
Christmas,
guys,
everybody!
I'm back.
Then how was he speaking?
I don't know.
I don't care either. Well, we better get you a shirt.
I don't care. I love it.
I don't care. She's sexy. Hi! I want to go say promo.
Hey guys, I'm Neville. I'm just gonna tell you another part of the ghost story again. So Neville tells his story then. Go on, Neville tells it. The Ghost Train Part 3 is starting in 3.
That
2.
was the Ghost Train Part 3.
So what? Wait. So what's the? Wait. No, we're doing.
Oh. That was,
Well, so
I finished my story in Part 2. That was the actual Ghost Train.
Oh yeah. Okay then. This is sort of just the one part, but we're gonna call it the Ghost Train Part 3. Anyway, so let's meet the ghost train that Harvey was in. Where is it? Harvey, where is he? Ta-da! This is what Harvey was in. A super fast, shiny ghost train that I was really attracted to. We'll just see it go for a little... Oh, sorry about that. We'll see it go for a little run.
Wait a second. If Harvey's not in it, then how is it? Oh my god.
Oh my god! Harvey, you were joking? What? I'm not gonna... No! Oh my god, it was a big kill scare. Stop! Oh, so he's dead.
Well, that was what the hell? That was a shame.
No, well. Get lost. Chew. Go away. Oh my god.
And he disappeared!